Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up indicators on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do to set up your indicators is just to go to your Invest tab and start going to the charts so we can add the indicators. So here we are on the investing. Basically, you can just click on here or you can find it on the top menu if you're using some Legend, Robinhood or some other version. So all we need to do is to go to investing. After that, we need to choose our stock. So basically, those are just some read markets. And basically, here we will find our list of stock or your crypto watch, etc. So basically, all we need to do is just to click on the stock that we would like. And basically, here we have the watch or the graph of the stock. So now, all we need to do is just to click on advanced. By clicking on advanced charts, we will have a more detailed charts that will be showing. So here we have a 1 day by 1 hour or whatever. So simply here in the left, we can see indicators. So now we can start setting up our indicators from here. So I'm just going to click on advanced and basically here you can start adding your indicators. For example, I will add this one and it has been added as you can see. And of course you can uh, hide it if you would like, and you can hide all the indicators that you would like and just leave the one that you want. Also, you can start setting up your own indicators, and basically depends on the version that you are using, and basically that's it. So this is how you can set up your indicators. Thank you for watching and see you next time.